Oh, I've lost my end. How can I have lost my end? There it is. Slight technical difficulty, people, nothing to worry about. Hello everybody and welcome to this book club video. So the postman has just bought me the Bookishly classic book crate. I'm going to be opening this. If you want to see what's inside, keep watching. Well, the postman rang on my door and bought me this. So this is the Bookishly classic book crate, and it is a monthly subscription box, and as it says on the box, it's based on a classic book. Now, I only got one this month. You only get one a month anyway. I just got the one off box. I just signed up for a one off because it's Alice in Wonderland. And if you know me, as my friends do, I am totally wild and mad on Alice in Wonderland. It is like my favourite thing ever. So I thought we would open this together. So let's have a little look. I have undone the sellotape because I didn't want to be struggling. This is so pretty. Let me see if I can lift it up without getting stuff everywhere. So this is what it looks like inside, and it says the Bookishly classic book crate. This is so pretty. Look at this. Oh, it's also lovely. Let's have a look-see. So first off, we will go for this. If I can get it out the box. Oh my God, I can't even open it. Hashtag useless. Oh, it's a mug. Oh my God, it is so cute. Oh my word. So it says, twinkle, twinkle, little bat, how to wonder what you're at. So that's the front. And then it's got the dormouse in a teacup. Sorry, the light's like shining on it. That is adorable. And this is definitely my new go-to mug. Cav Kidston, who are you? Next, I'm going to try and move all these so you can see. So there's obviously, I don't want to be getting them everywhere. So let me just take this out and then it'll be a lot easier, I think. Oh no, hang on. Oh no, God, this is the box that keeps on giving. This is. Right, let's get those out. That should be it. And I like it how they're very environmentally friendly. Save the turtles and all that. So there is a tea, and I am a tea fan. So this is something cherry. I can't even say that if you can see it, or you might not be able to see it. It's basically a cherry tea. Luxury green sencha tea, rose petals and natural flavours. Love it. Absolutely love it. And there's also a little button that says, why is a raven like a writing desk? Let me see. I don't know, you might not be able to see that. I'll take a photo of it anyway, but that is so cute. And there is a leaflet all about the book club. And there's this beautiful print. Now I've just decorated, so this is definitely going up, and it says Curiouser and Curiouser. I love this, and I have got the perfect frame for this as well. So this is definitely going on my wall. There is also the spoiler card, but we will not look at that. There's so much in here. So bookmark, begin at the beginning, said the king very gravely, and go on till you come to the end, then stop. Love it. And I love the design. It's just beautiful. And there's also a little card about Lewis Carroll. Do you know what? I thought Lewis Carroll was a woman until about 10 years ago. I genuinely thought it was a woman. So it says all about Lewis Carroll, a little fact card. And then, oh my word, look at these. There's some like little gift cards. I am going to put them. There's 3 in here. Shall I open them? I'm not going to use them as cards. I'm going to put them in a frame because that's the way I roll. So there's one, which is Alice. Cute. Oh, it's the toadstooly mushrooms. That is lovely. And then the last one is the dormouse. I just love the colours. And then look at this. It's the book, and it has got its very own. So they do their own dust covers. How beautiful. I am going to treasure this forever and ever and ever. And there's also this. I don't want to open it because it's so pretty. Do I just rip it open? I like the paper. I'm just going to slide it out, I think. If she can. No. Oh my word. I'm really bad at opening stuff. I do apologise if you are waiting with bated breath. Oh, I love it. It says, I can't go back to yesterday because I was a different person then. I love this quote. And it's written on printed on a page of Alice Through the Looking Glass. That is so beautiful. I absolutely love this, and I'm so glad that I got this box. Crazy, crazy. So the Bookishly book club. So there's 3 subscriptions. I'll leave all the information below, and there's also a code for 10% off. All their different kind of, yeah, book subscription boxes you can get. So there's tea and book club, coffee and book club, and then the one that I got, which is the classic one. I think it was around £30. I can't remember, but because I did get 10% off it as well. So yeah, definitely check them out. They are lovely if you love your classic books. So that is it. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to go and make a cup of tea now in my new mug. Hurrah! Happy reading, everybody, and don't forget to check out the Crochet Beginners group book club. All the links will be below. Happy reading. Bye.